y'all, it's Teddy, it's Beary Kitchen, and today we're making eggnog crème brûlée. It is what it is, eggnog crème brûlée. Pretty simple. But before anything else, like, subscribe, and comment. Please comment something, your favorite recipe, your favorite treat, your favorite holiday memory, anything merry, festive related. Let me know. I would love to read it. You guys, your comments mean the world. I know I don't get a lot of them, but the ones or two that I do get, I absolutely adore them. So thank you so much who do send them. Thank you so much. And you know, if you haven't, you should, and get into it. And I love hearing from you guys because you guys help me, and I help you. We help each other, and I want to teach you guys how to bake and grow, and we grow together. Like, I'm learning stuff, you're learning stuff, we learn together. I'm wasting the money, you don't have to waste the money. Look at that! There's some benefits. But as I said, eggnog crème brûlée. Let's get into it. Let's already got my apron on, so let's get into baking. Okay, so y'all, we're gonna start by turning this on, making sure it works. That's what matters the most. So we're gonna pop this on, and then first pour in the heavy cream. And then the eggnog. And I'm going to whisk it while I combine, just to make sure. Hopefully there's no lumpies, nothing of that nature. So I'm gonna let this like mellow out into a simmer, you know. I would say hit a simmer, but like, you know, like you hit a boil, you mellow out to a simmer. Like you vibe out to a simmer. Like, I would make a reference, but no, because no, too much time anchoring. Anyways, after we're gonna let this hit a simmer, I'm going to let it steep with our vanilla extracts and nutmeg. Let that do its thing. After that, we're gonna just basically, you gotta stay into it. You gotta keep watching the video to know what's next. But just know after this, when you gotta keep watching for the rest.
So we're gonna do more of a whisper and ASMR. If you can't tell, I'm including all the noises and the vibes. Pretty much, here's Phineas also coming with the vibes. If you don't know, I pretty much am just adding the nutmeg, seasoning the vanilla, and letting that simmer for about 10 minutes. Do a little thing. Right now, I'm combining the egg yolk, some sugar, the salt, and excuse the blurriness. My videographer was not. I was doing this on my own, and yeah, many reasons. Anyways, let's proceed forward after that babble. So pretty much I combined the egg yolk, sugar, and salt. I'm going to stir that together. And now slowly pour this. I wish it was slower, but I'm whisking fast, like the ratio of the pouring. If you know, you know, if you get it. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to keep stirring. Now I'm straining this just to get rid of some of the bigger chunk. But I still kind of want some of it, just because it is, you know, a part of the vibe of the recipe. I'm sorry. It's a part of the recipe integrity. There we go. And now I'm using this syringe just to make sure I get 150 ml throughout each thing, and it keeps it easier. And I don't like, it's just the easiest way for me to measure as of right now until I figure out something better. If you have something better, drop it in the comments because I need to know. And also, like, a measuring cup, those kind of suck. Maybe grams. How do you feel about grams? Okay, let's go on.
Okay, so real quick, we're gonna just give this a water bath. So we're gonna fill it a little bit halfway. We have these beautiful custards. A little bit of ASMR tap, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, I'm gonna pop this in about 325 for about 30-40. I feel like I just said that, but emphasize 30-40. And we're gonna make sure it has like a little jiggle. A little jiggle jiggle, you know what I'm saying? A little jiggle jiggle jiggle.
So first we're gonna put the pan and then add the water just to prevent any spills, and safety first, you know, in the kitchen always. And make sure you use boiling hot water or really hot water. I just use into my faucet, which is a safety hazard. Now you see it's still hot, y'all. Be careful when removing it, and you're not gonna touch the creme brulees. Actually, you could just leave them for a little bit, let the water cool down, and then you can grab them. Just don't hurt yourself. And now we're gonna add about a teaspoon of sugar. I use about 2-ish, but not full, and I kind of just sprinkle it. Like I do like a thing. Just go off your preference, you know. Just try not to put too much where you can actually do. Keep it flat, and then the tap.
Okay, y'all, we did it again. The creme brulees. This is me in like the past, I guess. I don't know. I'm really tired. I'm really exhausted, so I think I'm in the past. I might be in the future, but I'm in time. I'm in existence. Like honestly, didn't Marvel have like a whole paradox on this? But I guess we'll go on the Marvel theory, or use their theory, or maybe Rick and Morty's theory. Let me just stop. None of their theories. But I'm somewhere in existence. And so anyways, we made the creme brulees. I hope they taste good. I'm tasting them right now. Okay, so we have caramelized the tops of these creme brulees. I am going to add a little bit more sugar to mine and caramelize it a little bit more, just because I like to have a thicker top. Just like me, I'm thick. I want thicker top. So we're going to just torch it real quick. Do some caramelizing. I like a warm top. Yes, I do. Gosh. Let's finish off this sugar. Let that harden. Let me turn off my ice maker so y'all can really feel the full extent of this. I want to emphasize that audio, and hopefully it sounds right. So now, let's do it. I like this. I will say you really have to like eggnog for it, but of course, it's literally in the name, eggnog creme brulee. We're at Starbucks, so none of that putting stuff in the name and it not being in there mess, you know what I'm saying? Allegedly. Let me put it allegedly. Let me stop. But anyways, creme brulee is one of my favorite desserts because I really do like the soft, more mellow, melt in your mouth, more flavorful, aromatic type things. And this is that. It's aromatic as hell. This is really delicious. I recommend, if you really do like eggnog, make this. This is the perfect variation for it. It's light. It's not like overpowering. Like, I will say eggnog could be one of those things like, eggnog. But like, this is like the essence of eggnog without like all the like bam of it, especially without like the alcohol, because this is a non-alcoholic variation. And make sure over 21 if you participate. Oh Lord. Remember the age of over 21 if you do get an alcoholic eggnog. I don't really think you should bake with it. You should go get the non-alcoholic one, but if for some reason you do want to get the alcoholic one, let's see, test it out, experiment. I don't know. But this is really good actually. Yeah, creme brulee is one of them desserts that just hit in general. And I will say, since I used a pre-made eggnog, it did probably mess up kind of the composition of the dessert a little bit. But I still like it. It's delicious. It still did what it needed to be done. It was a custard that's set, and it's a custard that's set, and that's really what matters the most. I think that's pretty much it. That's my synopsis of it all. It's delicious. If you like eggnog, definitely do it. Drop down any egg. Like, if you do like eggnog, please tell me, because I don't meet a lot of people who really are like, I'm rocking with eggnog. Yeah, and I will say, I think some of the like nutmeggy part, yeah, that part fell to the bottom. So maybe at the bottom of the dessert, it is a bit more eggnoggy. But if it was able to go to the strainer, there's really not much I can do about that. It's very important to steep after you make the heavy cream and eggnog simmer, because that is what's gonna get, even if they drop, you're still gonna get the eggnog throughout the dessert. This might have a little bit more powerful spots. And I'm back. And hopefully they're good. I hope, fingers crossed. I did try a new recipe, and this is all Cooking Chronicles. I think I'm doing nothing but Cooking Chronicles for Christmas, just because I don't do a lot of Christmas recipes besides like simple things like a cake. But you know, you make a cake the same year round, you just design it differently, you know what I'm saying? But anyways, remember the giveaway. I'm gonna link that down below as soon as that is, like, I'm gonna have that sorted out and have a whole video and have a whole have that done for you guys. And it will be at least in the, like I said, the goal is about 100 USD value. So comment down below any ideas or things, or stores or places, or like, what if I just did my shop? I'm just joking. Y'all would not want that. Y'all want the cash app for sure. I'm just saying, I want the cash app. But anyways, eggnog creme brulee. Hopefully it's a 10 out of 10 recipe. I really will do more feedback in the taste testing, which you will know, because I'll be, you know, like I said, I'm somewhere in time. And anyways, love you guys. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and until next time.